And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders and analysts. This is Mike, the FX boss. How is the sound? Sound check, looks good. And welcome to the Forex course 101, everybody. This is for beginner traders, right? This course is for you if you want to be a professional trader, if you want to be a funded trader, or if you want to become a hedge fund trader through our partners, of course. Alright, and never forget, everybody, this stream is powered by Dukascopy Academy. How are you? All good. Happy Wednesday, right? Today's Wednesday? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Alright. Never forget, you're going to graduate from this course when number one, you have your charts set up and ready for trading. Everybody, do you have your charts? Did you chart support, resistance, pivot points? Yeah, I promised you Fibonacci today, so we're going to talk about the Fibonacci. Number two, you have a strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose, and how probabilistic thinking affects your strategy. Oh, why is that? Because you build your strategy, everybody. Makes sense? And number three, you have a complete understanding of how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. So today we're going to work on number three and number one, number two and number three better. Number two and number three. Alright, please disclaimer, this stream it's not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. Anything else? Send me an email if you have questions and homework. My email is here. Skype, it's for Forex course 202, an extra webinar, seminars, Fibonacci mastery course, Next month, big announcement, next month we're going to have learn how to hedge as a professional, If you didn't receive the free manual, ask for it, and if you want to get in business, right? If you want to join the daily trading desk through my partners, alright? You can go on Patreon, but you need to pay. If you want it for free, then you can do this through trading.com or Darwin X0, right? Search, I need to build it, so we have a new partner, Search Trader. To get a discount code, 10% off, send me an email. Alright, that being said, everybody, yes, I promised you Fibonacci's, don't worry, I still have a title on YouTube, support, resistance, pivot points, and Japanese candlestick formations. Alright, from the manual, Forex course 101, charting, trading concept, candlestick formations appear near monthly, weekly, support, resistance, pivot point became tradable patterns as reversal points. Wow. This means that when this happens, we could have a trend market wave continuation or trend market wave reversal. Let's see if this is true, shall we? Let's open NZD CAD example. I'm heavily invested in NZD CAD for the last 3 weeks. So let's see if this is true, shall we? Give it a second. Alright, so NZD CAD weekly chart. Alright. Boss, we have a recording, you are talking about this. We do, right? So, but what I'm lacking, everybody, is high to low, low to high, 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 high to low, low to high. Alright, everybody, can you see, can you understand what we're talking about? So, give me a second, let's not undock like this. Alright, give it a second. So this would be the chart, and whoops, not this one, sorry about that. And if we do something like this, and if we, alright, candlestick formations that appear near monthly, weekly support, resistance, pivot point. See everybody, I'm going to, the chart, this was last week, this is the weekly chart, right? Now it's not going to happen exactly, I'm not arrogant, it's not going to happen every single time, but if you are buying bullish candle here, so candlestick formation that appear near the monthly, weekly support, resistance, pivot point become tradable patterns as a reversal point. This means that when this happens, we could have a trend or market wave continuation or trend market wave reversal. See everybody? How this works? Even from before, yellow market wave is still down. The yellow market wave is still down, right? And here we are at the pivot point. Can you see it, everybody? Pivot point. And so this was the first, now bam, of course this was news event related, this one. This weekly candle, it's news related. Alright? But if this weekly candle closes bearish, or if the, give it a second, or if the daily candle closes bearish, right? Yes, I promised you Fibonacci. Everybody's asking, boss, Fibonacci? Yeah, I promised you the Fibonacci, right? So if this candle closes bearish, everybody see what happened here? Pivot point area, market tried to go up, didn't make it, tried to go up, didn't make it. Can you see? Tried to go up, didn't make it, 3 times, tried to go up. For the fourth time. You know, it happened, but then 5th time went down, and so it was bulls and bears fight, and finally from yesterday, now this is the news, right? Yes, this was a news event. Right? Don't judge yourself if you went long up in here and you've lost. Just learn the skill. Fair enough? Don't judge yourself. Don't judge your, oh boss, I bought up in here and it was an uptrend, and you know, it still is an uptrend. You know, but some of you were on the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart, right? And now it's suffering and all the heart palpitations, you know. And lastly, this market is going to bounce back again, you know, it's going to be pullback, reversal. You know, if you go to 4 hour chart, see the 4 hour chart? So we have a new down Fibonacci, yeah, we're going to learn it, give it a second. And give it a second here. And red goes to red, red goes to red. What's this? Red goes to red, all good. And green goes to green, so we have a new Fibonacci from here to here, even blue. So this market should come down to here, right? Somewhere. Pivot again, pivot point again. Pivot point. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to put an alarm, everybody. Give me a second. I need to go to trading view. Trading view, trading view. Yes, me and my traders. Everybody, students like you are trading with me, alright? Hedge fund trader Sandy, are you here? Hello Julius, how are you? Hedge fund trader Sandy, hedge fund trader Melissa, hedge fund trader 4K, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Shola, hedge fund trader Allah, who else is there? Students like you are trading with me. Alright, so get Alright, motivated, right? Oh, the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, everybody give me a second. Just to double check. Oh, it was this high and this low. Alright, 4-hour chart, trading view. 4-hour chart trading view is going to be maybe different, but still from here to here, alright? And down to here I'm going to put the alarm and alert. Get out of the short trade. Expect reversal. Expect reversal. So before we start with Fibonacci's, everybody, let's see in here. We need to cover, I promised you, challenge beginner traders and intermediates who used to give back to the market a big portion of the profits because of this simple fact that they don't have the right perspective from the monthly and or weekly standpoint, and otherwise that the market is getting close to a resistance or support or pivot point. In other words, they might be trading the 15-minute chart, 1-hour, 2-hour, 4-hour chart, unaware of the monthly support, resistance, pivot point. As the market gets close to a resistance level or support or pivot point, you must be aware of possible reversals. Alright? So the market goes up and near stop trade. So this is the issue, near support, resistance, pivot point. Be careful, stop trading. If the market gets near support, resistance, pivot point area and you are winning, then know when to stop trading. Don't trade near support, resistance, pivot point. This is not a rule per se, just a suggestion. Alright. We covered, I promised. Alright everybody, let's talk about the Fibonacci's, alright? Forex course 101 Fibonacci trading. Give it a second everybody. Forex course Fibonacci trading, alright? So we're going to get it out of this one, out of this one, out of this one, alright? Alright everybody, so you have Julius in here everybody, you can ask him anything. So Fibonacci, so introduction to Fibonacci charting / trading, right? That's the title. Introduction to Fibonacci charting and trading in Forex course 101. Fibonacci, everybody, is used as a tool for direction, as a directional tool, and also as a tradable pattern. Alright? Fibonacci as a tradable pattern has a proven edge. Proven edge. What does this mean? It wins more than it loses. Alright? So it's statistically proven that Fibonacci on the daily chart wins 7 to 8 times out of 10. Introduction to Fibonacci charting and trading. Fibonacci is used as a directional tool and also as a tradable pattern. Fibonacci as a tradable pattern has a proven edge. It wins more than it loses. It's statistically proven that Fibonacci on the daily chart win 7 to 8 times out of 10, meaning occasionally 1 to 2 times you are going to have a loser. Alright, everybody? Now it's too soon for you to understand what is an edge. More of this in the Forex course too. Alright, now we have, yes, you can ask a question, not a problem. So you have an up Fibonacci sequence, alright? You have an up Fibonacci sequence and then you have a down Fibonacci sequence. Down Fibonacci sequence. Down Fibonacci sequence. Alright? And this sequence goes A, B, it's called A, B, C, D. Alright? You have an up Fibonacci sequence and you have a down Fibonacci sequence. And both of them have the letters A, B, and don't freak out everybody, we're going to spend about 3 months on the Fibonacci, alright? A, B, C, A, B, C, D, alright? A, B, C, D. Something like this. In a down Fibonacci sequence clone, you have also A, you have also the B, everybody clone, you have also the C, and then you have also the, you have the D, alright? Alright, so in a non-Fibonacci sequence, you know, A to B, it's called rally. From B to the C movement, it's called a retracement. And from C to D, it's called the extension. Just vocabulary, don't freak out. Alright, just vocabulary. In a down Fibonacci sequence, you don't have the rally, you have the dip. You know? And then you have the retracement, and then you have the down extension, right? Nothing special, no brainer, alright. So this is the rally, A to B, it's the rally, B to C is the retracement, and it's the extension. Now, everybody take a screenshot, type in the chat done, so I can move forward. YouTubers too, students on YouTube, student traders on YouTube. Everybody, do you want to see Fibonacci in action from a student trader? Type in the chat yes. YouTubers too, YouTube students, students on YouTube. If you want to see Fibonacci in action from a student trader like you, and he has a job, as a matter of fact, he is cleaning swimming pools. Type in the chat yes. Yes, I want to see it. Yes, show me. Sure, there is no right or wrong. Melissa is done. So everybody, do you want to see everybody? Sure, okay. Give it a second, everybody. Get motivated, alright? Get motivated, everybody. Do you see here balance? This trader, his name is Douglas. I have his permission to show the account. Okay, it's on trading.com. He started, account history, he started 13th of February. He started through one of our partners. He put down 5,000 roughly. Morris Capital gave him 45. Live account, real money. And in a matter of 2 weeks it's up. So equity, right? In a matter of 2 weeks it's up 1,300 rough, 1,200 rough. And all of those trades, everybody, all of those trades are Fibonacci's. See here, daily Fibo, 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 Fibonacci, 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 Fibonacci. Can you see it, everybody? Douglas has a job. Like you, he's cleaning swimming pools. So if he can do this, you can do it too, makes sense? Of course, there is some knowledge attached to this, and we are trading together every day through our partners. If you want, not necessary, not mandatory, but we talked about this. Join my daily trading desk through my partners, or trading.com or Darwin Zero. It's cheaper, more suitable for beginner traders. Alright? But get motivated, everybody. If he can do this, and you're gonna count history and all history and save the report, and you go down, 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 down here, doing good, right? Okay, everybody? And sure enough, Douglas is in the Forex course too, right? The money phase. But I want to motivate you, everybody. I want you to, boss, why are you showing me this? I want you to show that it's a learnable skill. Alright? If Douglas, who is 60 plus, he's cleaning swimming pools, can do this, would this be, maybe not the best, but would this be a kind of proof that it's a learnable skill? Boss, but you said that trading.com it's advanced. It's sure, but you can do this with Darwin Zero too. Darwin Zero, everybody. I'm going to show you from a student. Trade. Let me see this one. See this is Darwin Zero account. This is suitable more for beginner traders, traders who are learning Forex course 2 maybe, Still see account history and save the report, save, and if you go down, 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 whoops. Give me a second, everybody. Give me a second, one more time. All history and save as detailed report, save. Going down, 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 down. This is a little bit different, but still going up, right? Okay? This is a trader from Malaysia called Vincent. And he is selling shoes. You can talk to the guys. Everybody, makes sense? Join me on Skype and you can talk to the guys and ask any questions. Alright, hopefully you're motivated, everybody. Fibonacci is exactly, has a learnable, tradable edge. Alright, moving forward. Moving forward, everybody. Okay, now let's talk about the rules. Alright, those are the Fibonacci non-negotiable. Brazilian guys speaking English. Fibonacci non-negotiable rules. Alright? So, in an up Fibonacci sequence, what is the A? The A, Melissa says excellent, thank you very much. The A is the first low slash absolute low slash lower low, lowest low slash the starting point of a pattern, alright? That's the A. The A is the first low, is the absolute low, is the lowest low, is the starting point of a pattern. Starting point of a pattern, alright? So now I'm going to clone chart. Everybody talking about NZD CAD monthly chart. Alright? We start Fibonacci's from the monthly chart because of the monthly bands. Alright? Now this is NZD CAD monthly chart, everybody. Tell me, in your opinion, which one is the A? Is the first circle the A? Is the second circle the A? Oh, my bad, thank you very much. So Euro JPY. My bad, sorry, my bad. Euro JPY monthly band, everybody. Alright? So we have the upper band, we have the lower band, right? Settings, general. Alright, you can see all of it. Alright, everybody? So, which one is our A? Would be the first circle the A, the second circle the A, the third circle the A, the fourth circle the A, or the fifth circle. Type in the chat, everybody. YouTubers too, Fibonacci, Dukascopy, Academy students on YouTube, type in the chat which one, in your opinion, is the A. The A is the first low, the absolute low, the lowest low is the starting point of a pattern. Which one would be the first low, the lowest low, the absolute low, or the starting point of a pattern? Which one of those 5 circles would fill in these requirements? First low, absolute low, lowest low, starting point. Don't be shy, we're here to learn. Hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Melissa, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Shola, hedge fund trader Sandy, hedge fund trader Amir. Congratulations, Melissa. Third one, everybody. The third. See how this works. The third one is the correct answer. The third one. Alright? Yes. Now, what's the B? Those are the Fibonacci rules. And everybody, we are just starting, alright? Give me a second. Dismiss. There you go. So one more time. The B, the capital B, is the first high as soon as possible after the A. In an Fibonacci sequence, the capital B is the first high as soon as possible after the A. Whoops. Here. So if this is our A, Euro JPY monthly chart, if this is our A, capital A, if this is our A, and I'm going to delete the monthly band. Now, which one is our B? Is the first circle the B? Is the second circle the B? Is the third circle the B? Or is the fourth circle the B. Which one is our B? Or maybe the fifth, right? Which one is our B? Boss, show me the rule. The B is the first high as soon as possible after the A. The B is the first high as soon as possible after the A. So student, traders, analysts on YouTube, Dukascope Academy, type in the chat. First circle, fourth circle, somebody saying first circle, somebody saying fourth circle, third circle, first circle again. Dukascope Academy, students on YouTube, what do you think? We found the A. Which one is the correct B? The B is the first high as soon as possible after the A. In B, how many pips below that high can the second candle be? How small qualifies? Great question. So everybody, just to remember, Forex Course 101, second lesson, a high is a center candle with two candles on the left and two candles on the right with lower high values. Look again. A high is a center candle with two candles on the left and two candles on the right with lower high values. Hedge fund trader Julius, what about you? Melissa is number 2. Anybody else online on YouTube? Melissa's number 2 is the B. Anybody else? Don't be shy, everybody. We don't bite. We don't bite. No, don't be shy. Like, oh, what if I do something wrong? What? Is 1 pip difference enough? Answer: yes. I need one more on YouTube, everybody. Melissa says number 2. Anybody else? Shola, Clara, Ernesto, Ala, Sandy, Tari, Muhammad. Number 3. Congratulations, Julius, everybody. Number 3 is the correct answer. Alright? So all the others. Okay, let's go step by step, right? It's really important for us to understand. So the B is it's a high. Alright? It's a high and it's the first high. So if you go here and if I zoom in on the first circle, do I have a center candle? Do I have a center candle with two candles on the left and on the right with lower high values? What is the high value? It's the tail. Whoops. Alright, we learned this in lesson number 2 or 3 on the Forex Course 101. Alright, so if you have a center candle like this and this tail is like this, that's not a high. That's not a high. Make sense? Alright, so this is not a high, everybody. Alright? I mean, you don't even have a center candle with two candles on the left. It's just bullish, bigger candle, higher, right? Agreed? Alright. Now let's move step by step to the second candle. Second circle. If you're talking about the blue one, is this a center candle? Yes, it is, right? Now, do we have two candles on the left with lower high values, and if the high value is determined by the tail, and on different platforms you have on TradingView, everybody, you have if you go on TradingView, when you are checking candles, you have up in here open, can you see H? TradingView, you have the high and the low. You're moving the mouse through candles, it's going to show you the high-low value. Alright? On Forex you can use the widget here, and I'm going to move the mouse on the blue, and here you have high. See everybody, high here. Here you see high. So I'm going to move the mouse on the blue. High 127.699. If I go on the left, so the center candle high is 127, on the left 124, 114. So on the left side of the center candle we do have lower high values. If I move my mouse on the right, so center candle high 127.699, 126, so 127, 126. But look what is going to happen. I'm going to move the mouse to the second candle on the right. Bam! How much is the high of the second candle? So you need to be, everybody, you need to be very precise. Does this make sense? Everybody type in the chat. Do we have two candles on the left and two candles on the right on the second circle? Is this a high? YouTubers choose student on YouTube, type in the chat, yes or no. Is the second circle red arrow pointing? So 5 candle required, yes. Central candle plus 2 candles on the left and 2 candles on the right. No, exactly, this is not a high, right? And finally we move to the third candle. So I don't believe Julius, I don't believe JVNFX. Well, you have the widget, central candle, high 133.80, left 131, left 126, central candle 133.80 on the right side, 131, 132. Hi boss, your voice is echoing. Everybody, is it echoing to everybody? How is the sound, Julius? How is the sound, Melissa? Sound check, sound check. Sorat is saying it's echoing. Am I echoing, everybody? Sound check, sound check. Am I echoing? Everybody, how is the sound? Is my voice echoing? Or it's alright? Hedge fund trader Melissa, if you would be so kind and type in the chat, voice okay. JVNFX, if you would be so kind and type in the chat, voice it's okay. Or is it echoing? A little like a cannon, but not with a second repeat. Oh yeah, it's echoing. If I give me a second, if I what about now? Sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check. Sound check. Advanced properties. Sound check, sound check, sound check. Sound check, sound check. Properties, advanced maybe. Echoing, 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 echoing. Well, I'm sorry, I really don't know. But it's okay for me. So Rat, I'm sorry, I don't know what to do. Okay. Alright everybody, back to class. So, and give me a second, sound check. Better, is it better? Sound check. Better. Is it better? Maybe this one, properties, filters, no filters here. Advanced audio properties, no idea. Audio, desktop, microphone, active. Alright, I'm going to check it, alright? Is hacking but can understand, not too bad, alright? Oh, better, okay. Alright everybody, so this is the B, right? B, that's the B, up in here. That's the B. Alright, now what is the C? The capital C is the lowest point, not necessary a low, inside the A, B boundary before the market hits the appropriate the extension. Wow. Alright everybody? The A, the B, the C. So, talking about the C is the lowest point, not necessarily a low. Type in here, thank you very much. Too necessary. Thank you very much, typo. The C is the lowest point, not necessarily a low, inside the AB boundary before the market hits the appropriate the extension. So, in charting the Fibonacci, everybody, you are going to put a horizontal line like this. Alright, up to you, the colors, the dotted line, and you are going to put the horizontal line. Alright. This is the lowest point, not necessarily low, inside the AB boundary, after the B boundary, after the B, before the market hits the property extension. Alright? Now, we are going to start something, don't freak out, if we don't have time, we're going to finish tomorrow. So, on the Forex platform, you have in here, everybody, you have on retracements, you have Fibonacci retracement, and if you spread the Fibonacci's, give me a second, alright, this is going to appear. And on trading view, if you find the Fibonacci, it's here, and you spread the Fibonacci, this is going to appear, right? Now, take a screenshot or a photo or write this down. What you are looking at right now, everybody, are the levels. Alright? So Fibonacci on Forex starts with 0, then the first red one level is 14%, number 14 on the software. The next one is blue, it's 23.6, the number 23.6. The first green number is 38.2. The second green is 50. The third green is 61.8. Alright, those are the numbers. Don't ask me why, I don't know. I learned like this. Then you have the B, which is 100, so the A is at 0%, the B is at 100, alright? And then you have more numbers, you have 118, you have 127, 118 is the red, 127 is the blue, and finally the 161.8 is the green. Type in the chat, everybody, done when you can. YouTubers too, please type in the chat once you are done. Student traders on YouTube, type in the chat if you will be so kind. Done. Thank you very much. Now on trading view, if I double click right or here, give me a second, style. So Fibonacci retracement, everybody. Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement, it's like this. So it starts with 0. 0.14 is the first one, 0.214 is the blue, and you arrange it in here, right? You can also take a screenshot, everybody. So 0.382, 0.5, as you can see, you need to type different numbers, right? In Forex it's 50, here it's 0.5. The third green is 0.618. The black, the B, is 1. And then the extension, right? The second red is 1.18. The second blue is 1.27. And the last green is 1.618. Alright, everybody, so some of you are using TradingView, some of you are using Forex. Type in the chat done. You can write this down, but anyway you need to put in the software, right? Or TradingView or Forex, it's all good. Alright, now, if 0 is the A, right, this is our A. What is the A? The A is the lowest low, the starting point, the first low of an uptrend of a pattern. The B is the first high as soon as possible, alright? Now the C is the lowest point inside the AB boundary, not necessarily a low, after the B, before the market hits the appropriate extension. And the appropriate extension is the D, alright? So it's the D extension, the extension, C retracement, C retracement. Alright? Now, if the market goes from the B, after the B, if the market starts to retrace from the B, alright, and stops in here, which one is the appropriate extension? If the market goes here and starts making higher, low, then we're going to say, oh, this is the C, That's the C. Because this is the lowest point, not necessarily a low, inside the AB boundary, alright, before the market hits the appropriate extension. And you don't need to know the numbers, everybody, just simplify. What does this mean? Green goes to green. Alright, green goes to green. If the market retraces from the B to the first level of the green, then the appropriate extension is going to be the green, 161.8. And now that's the C. If the market from the B goes to the 382 level, it's going to touch, then the appropriate extension, it's still going to be green, 161.8. Now we say, oh, now this would be the C, right? So in a market, this would be the market moving up and down, this would be the market, and this would be the chart, right? This would be the price section. The blue is the price section. Which one is the C, everybody? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Or is the third circle the C? Which one is the correct C? Which one is the C, everybody? YouTubers too, students on YouTube. The C is the lowest point. I mean, this is a no-brainer, right? The C is the lowest point inside the AB boundary. Exactly, Melissa the third. Congratulations. Very good. If the market touches or breaks the blue, but it must not touch the red, the appropriate extension is the blue, 127 the extension. If the market breaks the blue and it doesn't touch the red, so this is the extension. If the market touches the red or goes through, the appropriate extension is the red, 118. Right? 118 the extension. Alright? And lastly, if the market touches the black, but it must not break, then the appropriate extension is going to be the B. Black goes to black. Alright? And if the market breaks through the A for a pip, this Fibonacci sequence is not valid anymore, meaning you must reverse the Fibonacci. Whoops. So right click and edit level, sorry about that. Okay, everybody? Now, that being said, let's make an exercise. We're almost out of time. If Fibonacci retracement tool, so I'm going to spread the Fibonacci retracement tool from B to A. Alright, everybody. This is the original Fibonacci on the monthly chart. This is the lower band somewhere. Whoops. Right? Tell me, everybody, which one is the C? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Is the third circle the C? Is the fourth circle the C? Or is the fifth circle? Which one is the C? which one is the lowest point inside the AB boundary before the market hits the appropriate extension. The third one, congratulations. Everybody did Fibonacci work. If you would buy the C and put the stop loss below the A on the freaking monthly chart, I know it's a monthly chart, but just an example. If you would obey the Fibonacci rules, if you would buy the C and if you put the stop loss below the A, would you make tons of money in 30 years? I mean literally tons of money. Would you make tons of money, everybody? We're talking about, where is the, I don't see the scale, right? Time, alright. Give me a second, everybody, widget. I don't have the lower scale anyway, give me a second, everybody. I'm going to make it bigger. So what was this? 2008, see everybody, 2008, 9, date, right? 2008. If you would buy the C in 2016, well, not so 10 years, right, roughly? Not even 10 years. Would you make tons of money? Mary's asking, what about those highs before the C? What about? Great question, Melissa. Would you be so kind and be more specific? Melissa is asking, what about the highs? This is a high. That's the high. That's the high. See everybody? Green goes to green, says the rule. See everybody? You must obey the rules. You can make, I promise you, I guarantee you, you can call me out online, in public. I guarantee you, if you are going to obey the Fibonacci rules, you are going to make money. Not every single time, but most of the time. But green goes to green. Alright, everybody? If you buy in this retracement, you must profit take up in here. Oh yes, got period, end of story. Alright, everybody? Alright, if you are managing the trade, it would be different, but remember, this is for Forex course 101. This is for beginner traders, not traders yet, but analysts. Alright? Just learn, everybody, the concepts and the rules. And our time is up, everybody. See you back tomorrow with another Fibonacci lesson. Alright? Remember, if Douglas can do this in 2 weeks' time, trading the Fibonacci's, Douglas has a job, he's cleaning swimming pools, for God's sakes, then you can do this too, right? Alright, everybody, see you back tomorrow. This is the boss signing off.